When it comes to weight loss, two popular approaches dominate the conversation: intermittent fasting and the ketogenic diet. Both have their champions, but which one is truly better? In this video, we'll break down the pros and cons of each and help you decide which might work best for your goals. Intermittent fasting, or IF, is less about what you eat and more about when you eat. Popular methods include the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window. The idea? Giving your body time to burn fat rather than constantly digesting food. Studies suggest that it can help reduce calorie intake naturally and improve metabolic health. But it's not for everyone. If you struggle with hunger or have an irregular schedule, it might be challenging to stick with. The ketogenic diet focuses on drastically reducing carbs and increasing healthy fats to push your body into ketosis. In this state, your body burns fat for fuel instead of carbs. Keto is known for quick weight loss and appetite control, but it can be tough to sustain long-term. Plus, cutting carbs so drastically isn't ideal for everyone, especially if you love bread and pasta. So, how do they compare? Intermittent fasting is flexible. It doesn't restrict foods but focuses on timing. Keto, on the other hand, is highly restrictive in what you can eat. If you prefer structure, keto might be a better fit. If flexibility is key, intermittent fasting might win out. Here's the truth: there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Studies show that both approaches can be effective for weight loss, but the best plan is the one you can stick with. Consider your lifestyle, preferences, and health goals. And remember, a healthy diet and consistent exercise are critical no matter which path you choose. So, which approach do you prefer? Intermittent fasting or keto? Let me know in the comments. If you're ready to dive deeper into either method, check out my other videos on how to start IF and keto the right way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health tips.